2017 Chevrolet Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front-wheel drive. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.